Hi, Busker909 here. That was a sample of two-finger picking with an alternating bass. So my first finger's picking the melody out on the first string, and my thumb is just doing the low string and the middle string. And your choices are, you can pinch or play in between. You can pinch on both or play in between. Or you can create a little pattern. Little pattern would be something like this. So you can sort of just make up your melody on the first string. I'm using the major scale. G, A, B, C, D. I don't go much past there. So that's what you do. One with it, and then in between. And then you break it up by going to some chords, in this case B flat. And I'm just leaving the high string open. Same pattern. And then up to C. And then back to open. And then, just to make it interesting, add a second part. Just start up here on the D note. Find out right away as you start making mistakes that a lot of mistakes will sound good. So you do not have to do exactly what I did at all. This is just a pattern that you see guys use all over the place, and it sounds really, really nice. I'm just using the little Vox today just for something different. It's got a kind of nice reverb in there. I thought I'd give it a shot. Haven't used it for a while. I don't think you can get them anymore, but you can get the bigger one. That's a 5-watt one. You can get a 10-watt one. Just to do something different. And that's all there is to it. And I did a little fancy lick there at the end, a couple pull-offs. So I started up on 4 on the first string, pull off to 2, pull off to 1, and then 4 on the middle string, and then the high string. Not much to it, really. You just have to get that pattern going. I play it different every time I do it, by the way, but I will tab out what I did. Have a great day. Bye.